All right, guys, 2026 Silverado 1500. Picked up a roll-up tonneau cover. I've owned plenty of trucks, but I've never had any sort of cover on the bed. So I figured for this one, try this out. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. So I got it opened up here. We got, looks like 6 clamps. We got the rails that go on the sides, and this is the cover itself. So it should be a pretty easy install. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first step, they give you this weather stripping here, and you can see this bed rail is a little bit higher than this bulkhead. So this just goes in this spot here. So I did cut this to length already, so I'll just take the backing off. Okay, step 2 is just set this cover up against the cab. So it's gonna look something like that. You got the clips back here. Okay, up next, put the side rails on. So there's a screw here. They give you an Allen wrench to loosen this up. Loosen that up, and then this just slides in. And then once you're in all the way, just tighten this down and it'll push against the outside. So just go ahead and tighten this down now. All right, we got the driver's side on here, and you just want to make sure this is centered. So like this distance is the same on both sides here. All right, so up next, you got these clamps. They give you 6 of these, although the instructions says here 2 clamps per rail, so I'm sure you'd be fine if you use 2. I don't know if I'm gonna use 2 or 3, so I am gonna put some electrical tape over this. These are aluminum clamps. I'm just, might hold a little better and kind of protect the paint more. And they do give you these pads too that you stick up under there, just so you don't, take the paint off the underside. Okay, so looking at the underside here, I'm gonna put the first clamp right here, because there's a hole here and there's this plastic from the bed rail cover, so this spot looks ideal. All right, got all the clamps on. I am just using 4, 2 on each side. Maybe if you have a long bed, you might want to use 3 on each side, but I'm going with 2. So just for reference, from the end, about 13.5 for the rear, and then the front going from there, it's about 10.5. All right, just a tip. So this is how far I went. You can see how it lines up there, kind of like somewhat even with this plastic rail cap. So go ahead and bring this back. And you might have to slightly adjust your rails in or out for the back, because this notch right here has to line up with this notch. So just make sure it seats in there. There it is. So I'm impressed. I'm actually liking the way this looks. And the brand name is Oedro. And it does have these like aluminum support bars in the middle, so it doesn't sag. So you won't get any like water pooling up there at all. So pretty easy install. If I wasn't filming, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for following along. See you on the next one.